did you decide living in an apartment community was right for you?
Well, my husband and I both are retired, and we had a home, and we decided it was just way too much for us, and so we started looking at garden apartments to live in one of those instead of a large home.
Did your leasing experience with us differ from the last time that you had leased with an apartment?
Yes, by leaps and bounds, Bedford Place is just the best place to be. The people are wonderful, definitely. There's more here than there was where we were before, and we're paying less.
What was the main reason Wilcox Communities appealed to you?
I think especially because where we're located at Bedford Place, we are right by the wetlands, and it's just the most wonderful thing to have, to look out and see nature. I think the other was just the idea of no stairs. Things that seem to be more updated here than other places. The kitchen and the cabinets and even the carpets I thought were so much better than where we were before. And it just appealed to us, the layout, and like I said, no stairs. And it's small enough that we can take care of it.
What would be your favorite feature in your home?
I don't know, there's just so many favorite features, I guess. I think the main, at the time of coming and looking and seeing this place, the main thing that I was really impressed with was the kitchen and how up to date everything was, and it's just beautiful, everything that they've chosen to put in there. And the appliances were good. The refrigerator had an ice maker in it where the other place didn't.
Yeah.
But it's just a homey place. There's just a lot of nice things about it.
What makes you enjoy coming home to your apartment every day?
I think the idea that I'm coming home, not coming to an apartment, I'm coming to my home. I feel comfortable here. And it's just a nice place all the way around, everything.